torn, and there's a lot of holes in this faded uniform. My hands are black dirt and so is my face. I ain't never been to hell, but it couldn't be any worse than this place. I tell my wife don't work, 'cause I know what to do. It makes me feel better sometimes, and I don't know if it's true. I know if I die, well, it's just my time to go. But I pray to God every day that I make it back home. But when you say you want the same thing, don't seem so bad. You quit worrying about what you ain't got, and thank God for what you have. Because I could be raising my family in this place, but I was born in America by God's amazing grace. For the last 12 months I've had a new address. The neighborhood smelled like sewage and the streets were lined with trash. You never know what's gonna be the next thing to explode. But unlike these people, I have another home. It breaks my heart to see these kids out on the street, walking barefoot through the trash, begging for something to eat. I throw them something just to let them know I care. And I thank God it's not my son that's standing there. But when you seem what the same thing don't seem so bad, you quit worrying about what you ain't got and thank God for what you have. Because I could be raising my family in this place, but I was born in America by God's amazing grace. Talk about it, you better keep it short, 'cause I got a lot of lost time that I gotta make up for. I really don't care why Bush went into Iraq. I know what I did here and I'm damn sure proud of that. If you got something bad to say about the USA, better save it for different years unless you wanna crawl away. And I'll laugh in your face if you tell me you've got it bad. And I'll tell you to spend some time on the streets of Baghdad. Well, when you see what I seen, things don't seem so bad. You quit worrying about what you ain't got, thank God for what you have. Because you could be raising your family in this place. You were born in America by God's amazing grace. By God's amazing grace.
trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you. Keep smiling until then.
Who cares about the clouds when we're together?